Lapata Ladies is about women who are lost. In a funny comedy of errors, Fool and Jaya, both new brides in rural India with their faces covered by ghungats, end up getting separated from their husbands. But as the movie continues, we find that these women are lost in a much deeper way. They are chained by their own conditioning and the oppressive patriarchal structures around them. Welcome to Girls Buzz India. Let's have a look at how beautifully this year's one of the most loved movies, Lapata Ladies, managed to rule over the audience's hearts. Sometimes the wrong train takes you to the right station is a quote that fits perfectly with the movie. For Fool and Jaya, a train takes them to their right place, helping them find their own paths. Director Kiran Rao tells this fiercely feminist story like a fairy tale grounded in the reality. There is sweetness and simplicity in every frame, and most of the people Fool and Jaya meet are shown very innocent and sweet. The movie subliminally sheds light on the regressive patriarchal norms being blindly followed in the name of culture in our society. The primary example of this is the veil, the ghungat that becomes the root cause of the problem to begin with. Several instances in the movie, like Fool being told this,
एक बार घूंघट ले लिया तो आगे नहीं नीचे देखकर चलना सीखो,
and Jaya confronting people about how this ghungat has been pushing women to the back.
तंबू जैसे घूंघट के पार ना तो लेडीज का शकल दिखता है और ना लेडीज को जूता के अलावा कुछ और दिखता है.
Think about it. Isn't ghungat forcing women to forget seeing what is in front of them and just watch their shoes? The veil also prevents the women from being found. When the local cop, Sham Manohar, asks for a photo from Fool's husband Deepak, he offers the only one he has from their marriage, where Fool's face is obviously entirely covered with the ghungat. A character later says this covering of a woman's identity happens in all religions, which is signified in the later scene where Deepak asks a Muslim man if he's seen Fool anywhere with the same photo in which she has donned a ghungat. The man says,
घूंघट से तो फुल फेस ढका हुआ है, फेस ही तो सब कुछ होता है, फेस ढक देना मतलब पहचान ढक देना.
And then his own wife comes out wearing a burqa. The film smartly makes the point that irrespective of religion, women are often treated as second-class citizens covered in cloth long before they die. Jaya's husband, Prabhu, is awful in contrast to Fool's husband Deepak, who adores her. There is a lovely scene where Deepak declares his affection with great effort and pride. The women are also polar opposites. Fool is timid, conservative, and ignorant, while Jaya is more educated, ambitious, and secretive. She lies and is clearly hiding something, but eventually both women help each other find their way. The movie also sheds light on how women of the family often forget to live for themselves and do the things they love. This happens because they adopt the ways of their husband and the family and do whatever the others like, even if it means sacrificing and forgetting what they used to like in the first place. Jaya's खुद के लिए बनाती ना to Deepak's mother and her reply, हमको तो अब ई भी याद नहीं कि हमको क्या पसंद है. Think about it. How often do you see your mom making her favorite sabzi at home? Either it's always पापा की पसंद का और बच्चों की पसंद का खाना. These are the small things that go unnoticed but Lapata Ladies managed to beautifully capture. The cherry on the cake is Manju Mai's character played by Chaya Kadam. Manju Mai provides safety and shelter to Fool for the days she is lost on the station where Deepak left her. Manju Mai's words of wisdom send chills down the spine as she draws focus on the biggest scam happening with women called Bhale Ghar Ki Bahu Beti. Fool, an innocent girl who's been taught all sorts of patriarchal norms like not taking her husband's name, she's been taught how to cook, clean, look after the house. Sadly, this is what most women in our society are taught primarily. But do we teach women how to take care of themselves? Manju Mai feels Fool, a girl who won't take her husband's name, with the courage to shout her husband's name. How does she do this? Is her magic for which the movie is a must-watch for you. Lapata Ladies forces us to rethink the way we perceive marriage, women, patriarchy, our lives, and primarily the place of women in our lives.